All right, guys, welcome. What's up, everybody? It's 27 July 2020. This is our current positions Aussie and Euro. One's making losses, one's making profits. So, very good as of now. So, let's take a look at our portfolio and let's just jump right into it. So, for Aussie dollar, we have trend is up, red line is up, and blue line is taking off this lower numbers, lower blue line. So we could see that it actually be on its way up as well. So but the problem is that it's actually at its high and then start to pause. So I would say that we could actually look to buy more. So with taking off these lower numbers and with pricing staying around here, it's a very good place to be at, and can look to buy. So that's for Aussie dollar. We will continue holding on our long. For cotton, this is up, this is down. So not gonna place any trades. If anything, we should actually start to look for shorts. So over the next couple of days, over here, we would see that it would start to become flat in terms of the line. Um, yeah, so that would be the trade that and you can see over here on hindsight that um no, there isn't a divergence, but yeah, so no trades for now. For euro yen, trend up, red is up, blue is down, so a bit flat for the red. um, but given that it will be taking off these numbers, and then with price coming down a little bit, showing a bit of weakness in the strength of the trade, I think it's due for some kind of a correction. So I expect it to come down over the next couple of days before we can look to buy. So yeah, I'm not gonna enter this trade for now. For euro, has been on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of up days, and did not stop there. So that's a very nice picture to have. But as to all prices, the last time it went up was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it had a 9 days before it paused. So we could potentially follow this as a reference that it went up for 9 days, and then before actually had a pause and then went back up again, goes back up again. So that's a good trade that we have. So we'll continue to hold on to this trade and see if there's opportunities to wait for the dip and buy even more. For pound yen, we are on a flat picture, so we're not going to trade that. For pound dollar, price seems to be running away, starting to turn up, but over the next couple of weeks, if price stays around this area, it'll be a situation where it's going to be choppy again. So probably not look to buy. Not the strongest trend, but if we were to make some kind of a case to buy, we could, but probably on the next couple of days where it starts to dip a little bit. So because of the high numbers over here, so that's where we wanna be careful to price the time our entry. So now it's not a good timing, so we'll just wait it out and see if there's a good opportunity to buy. Yeah. So that would be for pound. Let's see for gold. So gold continue going up and test new boundaries. Yeah, so all lines are up, but we expect it to come back down over the next. I think this week should be a week that it should come down, at least for a price pause, especially for 2, 4, 6, 7 days of up days. But we're not gonna trade that. Heating oil is trend is up, red is red is down, flat, blue is down. It starts to take off these lower numbers, so we'll see a probably pretty flat red line. So Can't trade this. Live cattle is flat because based on the price over here 50 days ago and the price over here, it's very close. Not much of a movement, but if price starts to get run away from here, which could potentially run away from here, when it starts to if price starts to turn a little bit upwards, but for now it's a bit too early, so shall not anticipate too far. The loonies is starting to be flat. What has been an up, strong up over here has given up. So what is this? Go hit record high. Okay, good. So what has been a strong up movement has actually given back most of its profits. So we're actually looking at a very what do you call it? A very choppy market right now. So and certainly has reached its somewhat a bottom in a sense in terms of the blue line. So you'll actually pause and have a little bit of upwards tick movement expected over this period. So with this choppiness, we're not going to trade it. And that's all for today. So we'll still hold on to the trade of Aussie dollar and Euro dollar. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you. Bye bye.